How to turn off profile view history on your TikTok account. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok guys and open it. As usually when you open TikTok, it will open in home directly. You will just go down here on profile, click, and then go to this three line, click again, and then go to settings and privacy, click, and then guys go to privacy and go down to profile views. And now you have to turn off this option profile view history like this, and that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. If you have any question, you can write it down in comment, and see you next video.